Welcome to our stall. Feel free to ask questions from any of our members. Welcome to our page Codefire. This is where anyone can get a basic knowledge of the C language. Here we are going to give you some of the first topics that you should try when you are going to learn C language. As you can see, our website has 4 main tabs. Home tab, Overview of C, Quiz and References. On the home page we share information on the history of C, its use, and the pros and cons of C. This is just a brief description. This tab will help you to get a brief idea about C programming. Second main tab is Overview of C. In this tab you can get more basic fundamentals of C programming. If you go to the C Language Basics tab, there are basic and important lessons you need to learn at the beginning. For starters, the note under the heading C Language Fundamentals should be the first lesson to C. Under this lesson we have covered comments in C, constant in C, operators in C, and input/output stream topics with some other basics. You can discover these things with videos, examples, and small code segments. This tab will help you to get fundamentals of C programming. In decision control, anyone can learn how to use conditional expressions with if/else statements, switch statements, and ternary operators. We have provided the syntaxes and examples for all these. Types. Similarly, we have included syntax and examples for other topics. You can learn these things with very basic steps. In Loop and Control Structure tab, you can get an idea about how loops are working. For, while, and do while statements are clearly explained in this tab with suitable examples. There are videos also provided which are showed how to execute small code segments about loops. Arrays are very important data structure in C programming. In the Text tab we use to explain about arrays. Arrays can be any data type, such as integer, float, string, etc. In this section, syntax, examples, and videos are provided you to learn about arrays with very basic steps. If the learner has the idea to manipulate text such as word or sentences, they have to learn about strings. We have provided enough materials to get the main idea and continue along with the self-studying. There is a primary function in every C program that must be named as main. Functions avoid the rewriting of same logic or code. Learner must remember functions' importance in program writing, and in this tab they are given the basic. When solving mathematical problems with C language, or when searching through a file system, there comes recursion. Here the details for the start is given and support the user to understand recursion's value. To allocate memory dynamically, we use pointers. The pointer variable can be in any type of variable. If you want to know more, there is a simple step. Just visit our site and refer our tab on this topic. C uses files to store results and other data of a program. File handling is the storing of data in a file using a program. A programmer should have the practice in this area, and therefore there is some details for a beginner in this tab. The next tab, Quiz, is designed to measure how well you understand the lessons we have presented. Anyone who knows about C can use this to refresh the memory of C. As you can see, We have presented a quiz on 4 important topics. These are designed so that anyone who tries them can know the accuracy of their answers at that moment. We have presented only a very simple description of C in this website. Anyone who wants to find out more about the above lessons can visit the websites we have provided in reference. From this reference tab, you can get so many new information about C language. We have also included videos related to these lessons here for your convenience. It is our pleasure if you get very small knowledge about C programming from our website. Thank you for visit us. Come again.